Welcome to the online tutorials for Stamford Housing. This tutorial is choosing housing as an individual at Stamford. This recording is how to choose housing at Stamford as an individual during the housing selection process for fall 2018. So as you can see here, once you're logged into your My Housing right here, you do have the room selection. You are eligible to start selection at March 8th at 9:15. That is between the hours of the selection period, March 8th from 9 a.m. to March 12th at 10 p.m. So even if you can't select at your time on March 8th at 9:15 a.m., you could select all the way up to March 12th at 10 p.m. In order to select, what you want to do is you want to go into select a room or suite. When you go there, you're going to click Find Available Rooms. When you look for Find Available Rooms, you're going to be able to see a couple things. The important things are what kind of room type it is. So this is an apartment, one bedroom, two-person apartment at Stamford, and it's a rate 1 at $5,124 for the semester. And the other thing too that you can see, it does have 2 spots currently open. So if you kind of go through here, you can kind of see all the rooms that are available and kind of what they are. When you get into rooms that have 4 spaces to an apartment, you can see both and how many spots totally or overall that are open. So let's select into room 225B. You can see that there's 1 spot open. Let's select that room. It is a rate 2. You can see then at this time you have bed 1 in 225B is Ralph Husky and bed 2 is John Husky. You are Ralph Husky. So if you wanted to select into this, you would have your name there, and you cannot change the other person, but you at least know who is in that room that you're selecting into if you're selecting into a space. If the space was open and you wanted to leave empty, just click I agree to submit, and then you can tell that you cannot select into there because you did not assign yourself. If there was no one else and there was 2 spaces open in this room, the other space would say empty. But putting yourself in there and now clicking I agree, submit my room selection, at that point in time you have completely selected your room, so congratulations. You can go back to the main menu. You can now see your assignment for the fall 2018 and who you'll be rooms with. So you can see in 225 is Nate Husky and Vince Husky, and in your room is John Husky and yourself. And if you click on John Husky, whoop, I apologize, it would actually open up the John Husky's email for you so you can see their email at that point in time. And that is how you select as an individual into housing selection. If you have any questions about how to use My Housing for specific processes, please review our other tutorials you can find online. You can also email us at livingoncampus@uconn.edu, or you can call us at the number on the screen. If you have trouble accessing your My Housing, we ask you to email us.